Hi everyone. Well, it's been a hot minute since I've been on here showing you a video of one of our family holidays. So since I have my peep shirt on and my peep ears and earrings, I thought this would be a good time to do it. So stay tuned. Well, my son Scott's birthday fell on Easter this year, so we decided to celebrate with him. Here's a picture of me and my 4 handsome grandsons. And here's my daughter Dawn and her husband Jason. And here's Dawn, Jason, and their 2 sons, Jake and Aaron. And here's our annual holiday picture of my daughter Dawn and I. And here's a picture of Jason's dad, Jerry. He's opening up his little Easter basket. And every year Dawn decorates a little tree for the holidays. So here's her Easter tree. And of course, I couldn't forget their dog, Pebbles. Pebbles got a little basket too. Here she is trying to figure out how to get it open. Well, Dawn hosts Mother's Day every year. So I'll say no more. I'll let her speak for herself.
Look at this homemade mac and cheese I made from scratch.
The hostess with the mostest, and she's going on strike. She's not hosting the next occasion.
Because I host them all.
No, I do Christmas.
Okay, I get one holiday off a year. I'm revolting and I'm not hosting.
All right, we're all
Mother's Day
gonna either go to my house or go to a restaurant
That's
on Mother's
fine,
Day.
thank you.
Okay, let's see the food you made here.
Ooh,
that
mac and
looks yummy.
cheese. I'm just stirring it up.
Oh, and that spiral ham and carrots and corn casserole and salad and sweet potato chips. Yum, yum.
If no one likes it, you're eating it anyway.
Here's Dawn. She's stirring up the mac and cheese. And they got the corn casserole, carrots, salad. And here's Chef Jason over here bringing over, he's bringing over the ham. Let me get that.
Stabbed.
Ooh, that looks yummy.
You guys know how to play basketball?
Well, it's Easter Sunday, and we've just had a delicious dinner, and now it's time for dessert. And it's my son Scott's birthday today, and he requested a cannoli cake. So here it is, and my birthday was March 30th. So I'm sharing it with him, and I also have a little red velvet cake. I worked very hard on these desserts. I dipped all the peeps in chocolate, made a little nest in the middle, and then here I dipped my pretzel sticks. I broke them up and mixed them with chocolate and made little bird's nests out of them. Put little Cadbury eggs on the top, and there's little gummy carrots there. And here are all my Cadbury egg mini brownies. They are delicious. They're brownies with the little Cadbury eggs in the middle, and I ice them on the top. And when you bite into them, they are so good. And for those that maybe didn't want the Cadbury mini brownies, I made just regular brownies. And I made them with little decorations on the top. They're a big chunk of brownie though, I must say. And here is one of their favorites. Every year I make my malted milk dip. It is so good. Usually you can dip graham crackers in it or pretzels. I don't have the pretzels, I forgot to buy them, but I do have the graham crackers. So very shortly we're going to sing happy birthday to Scott and to me, and we are going to dig in to this delicious dessert.
birthday to you.
Happy
birthday, dear Dolores and Scott.
Yes, Dolores and Scott.
Happy birthday to you.
Why are you brick?
How old are
Okay,
you
blow out the
now?
candles.
Make a wish. Yay!
Wait, I did.
Well, for those of you that are still here and you made it this far, I want to thank you for watching and joining us for our small family holiday celebration. And happy birthday to Scott. And I hope you all had a very happy and blessed Easter. So I'll see you soon. Come on over and visit me on TikTok if you want. But I will be back with recipes very shortly. Love you all. Toodles!